Today we are going to crochet these 3 color slippers. I used the 260 millimeters slipper. Now let's take out the slipper part and dark brown color. We will crochet the inside white stitches and chain 1. We will make a single crochet to the next stitch and another single crochet. Remember to put this tail over the hook so we can hire it. We will make single crochet all the way around. Here, after we finish the last single crochet, we will connect it with the first stitch and make a slip knot. And then we use a stitch marker. We will put the slipper part into the slipper. And then we put a stitch marker between this, in the middle of this shoot. Let's see, this slipper I start the first row with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we will start with 5 stitches in the for the first round. So here 2, 3. Here you start from this stitch. Let's use a stitch marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we will make a slip knot in this stitch. Now let's take out the milk color yarn. We will make a slip knot from this stitch. Oh, we will make a chain stitch from this stitch. Chain 1 and put off the stitch marker. We will make 2 half double crochet in this stitch. 1, 2. So this is the first pattern, and continue to next stitch with 2 half double crochet here, and continue to next stitch with 2 half double crochet, and continue to next stitch with 2 half double crochet, one, two, three, four, five, and the last stitch, 2 half double crochet, and then make a slip knot to the next stitch. Here we use a stitch marker, and then let's take out the light brown color. We make a J stitch to the next stitch, chain 1, and pre-tie it, half double crochet in this space, another half double crochet in the same space, and double crochet to next stitch, continue with half double crochet, and 2 half double crochet, two half double crochet, and here comes to the last half double crochet. We should put it into the stitch here, and the second half double crochet we will insert the hook into this loop. And now we have 4 loops on the hook. We will put it all over, and then we will make a slip knot to the next stitch, put it tie here, and use the stitch marker. Now we will continue with the dark brown color. Half double crochet to this space. We will make 2 double crochet in each space, the last stitch, we should insert the hook into this space. The first half double crochet, and the second half double crochet, the second half double crochet, we insert the hook into the light brown color and now put it all over the hook. Make a slip knot to next stitch. And continue with the milk color yarn. From the round 4, we will skip one stitch, and we will insert a hook, skip one stitch, and remember to make this yarn a bit loose. Chain 1, do this tight, and half double crochet in this space. Continue with half double crochet, and the last stitch, we should insert a hook into this space. And remember to, for the last half double crochet, we need to insert the hook to the loops on the last round. Put it all over it. Because at the beginning we skip one stitch here, so we also skip one stitch and make a slip knot to next stitch. And remember to put 2 yarns over the hook so we can hide them. We put a stitch marker here. And then we change to the light brown color. Because the last round we skip one stitch, so for the next round, this is the round 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or round 5, we don't skip. We continue to crochet from the next stitch and put it a bit. Usually I make this yarn as high as the last round. Pretty tight. Chain 1, oh, this is a bit loose. Chain 1, half double crochet, half double crochet in this space. Two half double crochet, here comes to the last stitch. We will insert the hook into this space. We will finish hook. We finished one half double crochet, and for the second half double crochet, we will put the hook into this loop and put it all over it. And then we make a slip knot to the next stitch. One, two, three, four, five. For row 6, we will skip one stitch and continue to the next stitch. Chain 1, put it tight, in, insert the hook into this space. Make 2 half double crochet in this space and continue to next stitch. And the last stitch, we will insert the hook into this space. And the second half double crochet, we need to put the loop into the hook. And put it all over the hooks. Because for row 6, we skip one stitch at this side. So we also skip one stitch here to make a slip knot. We will repeat it till we at this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, for row 6 we skip one stitch, so for row 7 we don't skip one stitch, we continue from the next stitch. And for row 8 we can skip one stitch, continue from this stitch. And for row 9 we stitch. For row 9 we crochet from the next stitch. And for row 10 we can skip one stitch. We'll repeat it. Now you can see that it's not at the same horizon, so I can skip one stitch at this side, and this side we may slip knot to next stitch till they are at the same horizon. Skip one stitch, put it loose, turn one, put it tight, and half double crochet, so now I have finished 12 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is the same as another one. Also had 12 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, and then we don't need these two colors yarn, so I will cut it off. Here we still need to crochet one row of single crochet here, and one single crochet to next stitch, and then we make a slip knot to next stitch, and we start to do single crochet from the back stitch. Here, and then we put two yarns over the hook so we can hire. And then we will, after we finished this, we will make a single crochet to next stitch, and slip knot to next stitch. Now we can cut off the yarn. we hide the tail. Now I have finished the full tutorial of these 3 color slippers.